Hello dear students. In previous lecture we have studied about the reproduction in few animals. Means the animals those who lay eggs and the animals who give birth to direct their young one. Now here today we are going to learn about metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means what? There are similarities between a goat and its kid and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Means we had seen that hen lay eggs. Hen lay eggs and being give birth to baby. Dog give birth to puppy. Cat give to birth kitten. But this butterfly, previous stage of butterfly is caterpillar. They do not look like same. Thus in some animals the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called as metamorphosis. What is it called as? This is called as metamorphosis. Now we are going to see here metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. They live their life among plants and they are giving birth on plants only. They are laying eggs, then egg is becoming caterpillar, afterwards pupa stage, and then last one is the butterfly stage. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa and adult. These are the 4 stages. Okay, means changes are there. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays an egg on the milkweed. रुईची पानं असतात ना, आपल्या घराबाहेर सहसा भरपूर जणांना दिसत असतील. रुई leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. Larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called as the caterpillar. This is called as the caterpillar. Larva of a butterfly, it is called as the caterpillar. First of all, egg. After egg, it emerges into the larva emerges from the egg. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. When caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. ज्या वेळेला त्या एगमधून हा कॅटरपिलर बाहेर येतो, पहिली स्टेज आहे एग, सेकंड स्टेज आहे कॅटरपिलर. कॅटरपिलर ज्या वेळेला बाहेर येतो त्यावेळेला त्याला खूप भूक लागलेली असते. मग तो पान चावतो, झाडाची पानं ज्या झाडावर आहे त्या झाडाची पानं चावायला सुरुवात करतो, खायला सुरुवात करतो. इट सो मेनी लेग्स अँड गोइंग टू इट. इट इट्स व्हेरी फास्ट. सो इट्स ग्रोथ इज व्हेरी रॅपिड. Again it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. अजून पानं गिळायला सुरुवात करतं. In 2 or 3 days it molts a second time. In this way it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. 10 ते 12 दिवस ते त्यातच राहतं, त्याच कॅटरपिलर स्टेजमध्ये राहतं. आता इथे बघा क्रिझलिस. जस्ट बिफोर द लास्ट मोल्ट द कॅटरपिलर वीव्स अ बटन ऑफ अ सिल्क थ्रेड ऑन अ स्टॉक ऑर अ लीफ अँड हँग्ज इट सेल्फ फ्रॉम इट. मग ते स्वतः काय करतं, हे स्टॉक म्हणजे काय, पानाचं देठ, त्या देठाला स्वतःवरती कव्हर सिल्कच्या थ्रेडचं आच्छादन करून घेतं ते कॅटरपिलर आणि झाडाच्या देठाला लटकतं. When it molts, this time it forms a pupa, which is the next stage of its growth. The pupa of a butterfly is also called as the chrysalis. Pupa of a butterfly is also called as the chrysalis. It remains inside द क्रिझलिस फॉर द नेक्स्ट 11 or 12 days. मग आता या क्रिझलिसमध्ये ते किती दिवस राहतं? परत 12 दिवस राहतं. 11 ते 12 दिवस. इट डज नॉट ईट एनिथिंग ड्युरिंग दिस स्टेज. खाऊन खाऊन पोट भरलेलं असतं आणि मग या कवचामध्ये ते आराम करत असतं. इट डू नॉट ईट एनिथिंग ड्युरिंग दिस स्टेज. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place in its body. मग आतमध्ये त्या क्रिझलिसमध्ये त्या कॅटरपिलरमध्ये काही चेंजेस घडून येतात. कुठले चेंजेस? सुंदर सुंदर असे पंख. टायगर गेट्स कम्प्लिटेड. प्लेन टायगर गेट्स कम्प्लिटेड इनसाइड द क्रिझलिस. देन द अडल्ट बटरफ्लाय इमर्जेस फ्रॉम द क्रिझलिस. आणि या कवचातून ते बटरफ्लाय बाहेर येतं. It now has 4 attractive wings and 6 long legs. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. What is metamorphosis? This is the stage in which 4 stages are there, and it is called as the metamorphosis. Understood everyone? So read the lesson that you will understand the concept of metamorphosis. Okay, bye.